Hello guys, welcome to Toy Vehicle Game. Wow, this video 3 vehicles assemble video guys. One auto rickshaw, one Maruti car, one mini JCB. 3 vehicles assemble video guys. First assemble this auto rickshaw guys. Auto rickshaw assemble guys. Part the engine part guys. No guys, no setup guys. This holes fitting okay guys, perfectly the fitting guys. Okay guys, wow, perfectly front back wheels and fitting guys. Wow, and head guys. Okay guys, wow, perfectly CNG auto rickshaw ready guys. Wow, Indian, I love Indian auto rickshaw ready guys. Wow, wow, simple Indian auto rickshaw ready. Okay guys, next vehicle is wow, this Maruti car guys. Maruti car fitting guys. Wow, engine part. Okay guys, wheel guys. Okay guys, okay guys, 2 wheels perfectly fitting guys. Front wheel guys. Wow, front and back wheel perfectly fitting guys. Wow, head guys. Okay guys, perfectly red color Maruti car ready guys. Wow, many mistake guys. Okay guys, mini mistake perfectly ready guys. Wow, okay guys, Maruti car ready, CNG auto rickshaw ready guys. Last assemble ties this JCB guys. JCB, wow, JCB engine part, front wheel fitting guys. Okay guys, perfectly fitting. Engine part guys. guys, perfect. Okay guys, perfectly fitting JCB ready guys. Wow, 3 vehicles assembled, finished guys. On JCB, on auto rickshaw, on Maruti red color car guys. Wow, 3 vehicles perfectly ready guys. Wow. Okay guys, bye bye.